If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Tools panel in Photoshop appears at the left side of the application window by default. However, you can dock the Tools panel to either the right or left sides of the application window, or let it float over the document window area. Unlike most panels in Photoshop, however, you cannot dock the Tools panel at the bottom of the Photoshop application window or group it with other panels in Panel tab groups. To toggle the Tools panel in Photoshop between a one-column and two-column layout, click the double pointer arrow button in the bar at the very top of the Tools panel. To select a tool in the Tools panel in Photoshop, click the desired Tools button to select it. To view the name of the button and the button's tool shortcut key in the Tools panel in Photoshop, hover your mouse pointer over the desired button to show this information in a screen tip. We will discuss the use of these tools in the context of their use in Photoshop throughout this course. When you select a tool in Photoshop in the Tools panel, the options for the selected tool appear towards the left end of the Options bar in the Options bar Control Panel section. You can then change these options to change the behavior of the selected tool. The options vary based on the tool selected. Tool buttons in the Tools panel in Photoshop that show a small triangle icon in their lower right corner have hidden buttons within them from which you can also select to change the default button that then appears for that button's space in the Tools panel. To select from the hidden tools for a button in the Tools panel, click and hold down on the button until a side menu of other button choices appears. Then click to select the desired button from the side menu of choices to both activate the tool and show it as the new default tool in that button's location in the Tools panel. Alternatively, to cycle through the tools for a button in the Tools panel in Photoshop, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then repeatedly press the button's keyboard shortcut key. At the bottom of the Tools panel in Photoshop, you also find the current background and foreground color choices, the default background and foreground colors button, the Switch foreground and background colors button, the Edit in Quick Mask Mode button, and the Change Screen Mode button. These buttons all appear in a separate section below the tools and the Edit Toolbar button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.